Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to show specific shipping methods for a certain tagged customer in Shopify. I am adding the B2B tag to the Support KlinKode account, which uses the email support@klinkode.com, and then saving it. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the customer tags condition. So first, we'll search for customer tags in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, select Essential 2 combination, or Elite 1 combination to continue. Now we choose If Not Found and add a B2B tag. Now set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should only be displayed when a customer has a B2B. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is not visible because the cart doesn't contain a B2B tagged customer. Now change the customer's email to support@klinkode.com, which has the B2B tag, and check again. As you can see, free shipping is visible now. That's it. This is how to show specific shipping methods for a certain tagged customer. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!